guys mind if I sit here?
Oh, not at all.
Awesome.
That's like grossly codependent. And I was like, can you chill? Like, I said I had an interview less than 2 hours ago. Have you been to the gym before?
Mom! I can't talk right now. I'll call you back in 10.
Can't keep my hands to myself.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, turn it off, turn it off. Thank you.
Slippery.
But you see, I'm like a dog when I leave you lost and deserted. Play with you.
Was that you, bro?
Never gonna be alone. This moment if you ever feel like letting go.
Don't you love Nickelback? No. No? Oh, yeah, no, that guy sucks. Yeah, sorry, I hate that song. What? Oh, you're leaving?
Yeah.
Okay. No,